Think modern supercars have lost their soul? That they've become too digital, too quiet, too disconnected? Ferrari wants to change that conversation. This is the 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa, a plug-in hybrid supercar with over 1,000 horsepower that doesn't just look toward the future, it challenges us not to fear it. Welcome to Future Wheels.
This isn't a retro remake of the iconic 1980s Testarossa, and Ferrari isn't pretending it is. Instead, the 849 Testarossa is a spiritual successor, carrying forward the name's legacy while redefining what a flagship Ferrari means in the modern era. Positioned as the replacement for the SF90 Stradale, it now sits proudly at the very top of Ferrari's road car lineup. At its heart is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 mounted mid-rear, working alongside 3 electric motors in a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. The result is a combined output of roughly 1,040 horsepower sent to all 4 wheels. Performance figures are staggering, a sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 2 seconds, and a top speed north of 330 kilometers per hour, or about 205 miles per hour. Yet despite those headline numbers, Ferrari insists this car is about more than raw speed. On public roads, the character shifts seamlessly. The suspension remains firm, as you'd expect from a flagship Ferrari, but it never feels punishing. The hybrid system adapts effortlessly to city driving, highways, or spirited back-road runs. The dual-clutch gearbox is smooth and aggressive, though Ferrari admits future software updates could sharpen downshifts in the sportier modes. And yes, it can drive in pure electric mode too, offering silent, refined cruising for short distances, though spirited driving quickly reminds you why the V8 is still the star of the show. Step inside, and Ferrari strikes an interesting balance between modern tech and old-school engagement. Physical buttons make a welcome return in key areas, addressing long-standing complaints from purists, while digital displays and driver-focused screens deliver the information you need without distraction. Visibility is better than expected for a mid-engine supercar, and while this isn't a grand tour, the cabin feels usable enough for real-world driving, at least by Ferrari standards. Of course, not everyone agrees on the design. The styling is sharp, aggressive, and unapologetically futuristic. Some enthusiasts argue it breaks away too far from Ferrari's traditional elegance, while others see it as a bold evolution of the brand's identity. Love it or question it, one thing is certain. The 849 Testarossa has presence, and it looks like nothing else on the road. And that perhaps is the point. Ferrari isn't trying to please everyone with this car. The 849 Testarossa represents a statement that electrification and hybrid technology don't have to dilute emotion, sound, or excitement. Instead, when done right, they can amplify everything we love about driving. Thanks for watching Future Wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more first drives, reviews, and automotive stories. And let us know in the comments, would you take the 849 Testarossa for a weekend drive? See you in the next one.